When it comes to securing your home, one of the most overlooked aspects is often the windows. However, new windows can significantly improve the safety and security of your home in Birmingham, providing peace of mind and ensuring that your property remains protected against potential threats. Whether you're upgrading old windows or building a new home, investing in modern windows brings several security benefits that make it an essential part of your home security strategy. Enhanced durability and strength. One of the key ways new windows improve security is through the materials and construction. Modern windows are typically made from stronger, more durable materials, such as reinforced UPVC or aluminium, which are much more difficult to break or tamper with than older wooden or single-glazed windows. These materials provide a solid barrier that can withstand impact, making it harder for intruders to break in. Additionally, many new windows are fitted with double or even triple glazing, adding an extra layer of protection. Not only does this help to improve insulation and energy efficiency, but it also makes it far more difficult for anyone to smash the window and gain access. This added layer of glass acts as a deterrent to would-be burglars, who are likely to move on to an easier target rather than spend time trying to break through a fortified window. Advanced locking mechanism. Windows are often the weakest point of entry for intruders. However, new windows come equipped with advanced locking systems designed to prevent unauthorized access. Modern window locks are more sophisticated than older, simpler mechanisms, providing an added layer of security that is harder to bypass. Many newer window systems come with multi-point locks, which secure the window at several points, making it far more challenging to force open. Some high-security windows also come with features like key-operated locks or smart locks, which can be controlled remotely or programmed to lock and unlock at specific times. These locks offer convenience and added security, as you can ensure your windows are always securely locked, even if you forget to do so manually. Window sensors and alarm. Another significant advantage of new windows is the ability to integrate them into a home security system. Many modern windows can be fitted with sensors that detect if the window has been opened or tampered with. These sensors can be connected to an alarm system that triggers a loud alert if any unusual activity is detected. This is particularly useful when you're away from home, as the alarm will notify you or a security company that something is wrong, allowing for a quick response. For added peace of mind, some windows can be equipped with breakage sensors that detect the sound or vibration of glass breaking. This feature is especially useful in areas like Birmingham, where burglaries may involve breaking windows to gain entry. With this type of technology, you'll be alerted to any potential threats immediately, even before the intruder can enter your home. Improved visibility and deterrence. Another less obvious way new windows improve home security is through their design and placement. With clear, unobstructed views of the outside, new windows can deter potential burglars. If a would-be intruder knows they're visible to neighbors or passers-by, they're less likely to attempt to break in. Many modern window designs, such as casement or tilt-and-turn windows, allow homeowners to open them wide enough to create better sightlines, making it harder for anyone to approach unnoticed. Furthermore, some windows come with security features that help prevent them from being opened from the outside. For instance, certain window styles have special locking mechanisms that prevent burglars from unlocking the window from the outside, even if they have access to the window frame. Insulation and privacy. While not directly related to security, new windows often offer better insulation and increased privacy, which indirectly contribute to home safety. Modern windows are built with superior seals and insulation, helping to block sound and limit visibility. This means that intruders are less likely to be able to scope out your home, while you'll enjoy a quieter and more private living space. The added privacy makes it harder for criminals to peer inside and gauge the best time for a break-in, making your home a less appealing target. Conclusion: upgrading to new windows can have a dramatic effect on the security of your home in Birmingham. From stronger materials and advanced locking mechanisms to integration with alarm systems and enhanced visibility, modern windows are designed to provide a higher level of protection. Whether you're looking to replace outdated windows or make your new home more secure, investing in high-quality windows is a smart and effective way to protect your property and loved ones.